The Samsung Galaxy S23 series is poised to launch with Snapdragon chips globally. Samsung's Galaxy smartphones have traditionally used Qualcomm's Snapdragon chipset, but these models are only available in select markets like the US, while other markets get the Exynos variants. However, this appears to be changing in the future. Qualcomm practically confirms that it's game over for the Exynos chipset and flagship Samsung phones, beginning with the Galaxy S23 series. During Qualcomm's recent investor confirmed that the upcoming Galaxy S23 models would be powered by Snapdragon chipset globally. This means the South Korean tech giant may abandon the Exynos processor in future flagship handsets. A report from last month still suggests an Exynos-powered Galaxy S23 series is not ruled out, despite disappointment from in-house Exynos chips from Samsung MX Mobile Experience division. But for consumers who have had to grapple with Exynos-powered models elsewhere, this new development sounds promising. Moving on. For those who still have doubts that Samsung is ditching Exynos and going all in with Snapdragon chips worldwide for the S23, here's another confirmation from Qualcomm's chief financial officer, where he mentions that Samsung will increase the usage of Snapdragon chips from 75% on the Galaxy S22 to 100% on the Galaxy S23, which is good news for folks over at Europe. Another leak about the Galaxy S23 series is here, as it seems it won't be so long until third-party companies will start selling screen protectors for the Samsung Galaxy S23 series, through marketplaces such as eBay and AliExpress. That Ice Universe has already shared photos of several options for the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra via his Twitter account, as the leaker suggests it would be better to take everything with a grain of salt, and not to guess any of the device's display bezels from the screen protector shown. And finally, we have some updated information about the Unpacked event. A reputed South Korean publication reports that the Unpacked event will take place in the first week of February, and the release date will be around the 17th of February. Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S23 handsets at the event, and unlike the last year, they won't release any tablets at the event. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.